Okay, here's how the repair turned out. I used concrete and masonry repair caulking by DAP. Let's see, that's just some light stuff over the crack that we had. It's flexible, this caulking, and so you get down to the corner, which really had a big hole in it earlier. I'm gonna look under there. It's still a little bit wet, drying down there because I had to pump in quite a bit. If I go this way, try to go slow and I hope it focuses. If I come back here for the big view, now I want to come in under here and look up. Okay, so yeah, the caulking is in there. It feels pretty good. I had to really seal it in there. Fire ants were getting into the house right here. There was even a couple holes in the slab down here that I had to seal off where the fire ants were coming up and through, so I put them out of business with the caulking. Let's see, I come up here. Here's where the stucco cut repair that they put on fell off, and I had to fill that in with caulking down there. Like I said, I had to pump a lot of that stuff up into those gaps, and it's not totally dry yet. It rained yesterday, so I'm gonna let it all dry and then I'll paint it. So I wanted to show the guys at Giordano Plastering how I had done on this repair. It's gonna look fine after it's painted, and it was a good cheap repair that they had helped me figure out. I don't know why it's not focusing now. Maybe now, yeah. So yeah, there it is, and it's looking pretty good. After some paint, it'll look fine. Thank you.